Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. This week in math we're continuing to talk about addition, and today I'm going to show you a really neat trick on how to count a big number and do it really fast and easy. This is called think big, count small. So basically what we can do is count a big number without counting a whole lot of numbers together, okay? We just add one or two, okay? So now I have here a picture of 3 dominoes, okay? So now, if we look at the first one up here, what is the total? Remember, the total is all of them. What is the total of all these dots? Now, here's how to do it as easily and quickly as possible, okay? So, what we can do is first subitize this side, the bigger side. Always look at that side first. So, how many is that? If you subitize that, that's 6. Okay, and then we just add 1. So, 6 and then add 1 is 7. Okay, all right, and we can also do that with our fingers. You can imagine 6 and then one more is 7. Okay, so instead of having to go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we can just look at the bigger number, see what that is, and add 1 on that one. Okay, now the next one, what is that? It looks like a lot of dots, right? Let's just subitize this side. That is 7. Okay, and then add 2. So you can think 7, add 2 is 8, 9. Okay, so we had 7, we added 2, 8, 9. All right, now let's see the bottom one. Look at all those dots, that's a lot. Let's just focus on this side. Now, you may have to count these, or you may be able to subitize that. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And add one more. 10. There you go. 9, add 1 is 10. So when we're counting, it's always best to look at the big number first and then add the smaller number to it, okay? All right, now boys and girls, we're about to do our stepping stones, but I have a very special friend that wanted to come say hi to you. I don't know why he wanted to, but he's right over here. Buddy, are you wanting to say hi to the kids?
Yeah, Mr. Mitchell, I really wanted to say hi to them today.
Okay, well buddy, go ahead and say hi, and then we have to do our stepping stones.
Okay, yeah. Hey guys, how you doing?
Buddy, why do you have a YouTube sticker stuck to your head?
Well, let me tell you right. I'm a YouTuber now.
Oh, you're a YouTuber now, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, well, what do you do on your YouTube channel?
Well, I can do what you do too. Okay? I do all of the math like you did right there.
Okay, well, can you tell me a problem and we can figure it out?
Yeah, here's a problem. The problem is I can't turn on my computer. I can't record any more videos.
No, I mean a math problem.
What?
Okay, buddy, maybe we should just continue on with our lesson and do the stepping stones.
You want me to step? I can step. I can dance. Okay. I can dance.
Okay, buddy, maybe could we see you again later?
Yeah. Okay. Catch me on YouTube, guys. And don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, buddy. We'll see you later, okay?
Okay, yeah, bye-bye. See you later.
All right, guys. Sorry about that. Well, let's go ahead and go to our stepping stones. And we are on page 133 in our stepping stones. And we are looking at these math problems here. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to count these. Now, these are 2 sides of a domino, right? So the easiest way to do this is to first, as we're adding these up, first we're going to write the bigger number, okay? So what's the bigger number out of this one and that one? The bigger number, the greater number, is 4. So I'm going to write 4. Kind of messy there. And then I'm adding 1. So it's 4 plus 1. What is that? 5, right? You just think 4, and then one more is 5. All right. Very good. Kind of messy on the computer, but you can do it better there. Now, next one. What's the greater number? What's the bigger number? Bigger number is 5, right? So I'm going to write that here. Okay. And then counting 2 more. 5, and you could just say the greater number first. You can say it. 5, and then 2 more is 6, 7. All right. All right, let's just do one more, and you can do the last 3 on your own. What's the greater number? What's the bigger number? 6, right? So I'm going to put 6 here. first. Okay, so 6, I can say it. 6, and then 2 more is 6, 7, 8. Oh, after I put the 2, I know I'm going to 8. All right. So we're thinking big. We're thinking of the big number, and we're counting small, counting the smaller number. And that's an easy way to do addition. Now go ahead and do the last 3 problems on your own. And thank you for working with me today in math.